Every year I always get a lot of leaves and debris on my patio. This is great too for blowing off leaves and dust that you get around your front and back porches. As you saw, this leaf blower has a lot of power. What I want to do now is just show you the features and show you what it does come with. So it does come with 2 batteries. These are 21 volt, 5 amp hour batteries. So when they're fully charged, they're going to give you right around 30 minutes apiece. So that's a total of 1 hour. Right on the front here, when you press the red button, it's going to let you know how much battery life is left. And it also comes with a charger that just plugs into a standard outlet. The controls are real easy to use. We've got an on button, and we can go ahead and press the plus and minus to go ahead and go from speed 1 all the way up to 5, and it also has a turbo button. You can press the turbo button at any time, or go ahead and push that all the way up to number 5. It does have 2 tubes. They're just going to snap on there. You can use either one or both of them depending on the job that you have. And then also, I love that we've got rubber right here around the grips, so it's real easy to hold, especially if you have gloves. You can see here the accent of the blue and the black looks pretty cool too. The controls are super easy to use. It doesn't weigh much. It's perfectly balanced here, so that way I'm not going to have a lot of strain on my wrist. Overall, I'm real happy with it. It does the job that I need it to do, and I hope you found this review helpful.